All right, y'all see the vibe, man. We got a 2019 Kx450f outside, man. A lot of people been requesting, you know, to see this beast. You know what I'm saying? See what it do, how it perform. But yeah, it got the you know, got the pro circuit system on it. I still got my stock pipe for it. You know what I'm saying? Complete stock pipe. But yeah, we gonna see what happened, man. The pipe is cold. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what happened. Let's see if hopefully the battery not dead this time. Y'all let me know in the comments, man. What bike y'all feel like got the most thump out of the CRF 450, YZ 450, and this bike, KS 450. We're gonna see what happens. But definitely got a lot of thump to it. just moving through, huh?
Riding, sliding.
Yeah, man, just a few corners, that's it. We playing back there. Hell yeah, man. Nice little Sunday, something like. I already know. Oh, you ain't feel like going that way?
My shoulder's cool.
Nah, what happened to your shoulder?
I had fell last time.
Nah, what you fell off of?
125, that shit.
You talking about bros on?
Yeah, that shit.
I think he trying to sell it now, ain't it?
Yeah, he just trying to sell that shit.
Bro, you fell off that?
We ain't even start riding. We took the shit out the truck. You know what time it's like that?
Oh, man, you fell back up.
Nah, we was going to the little gas station right there. The shit just slipped.
You talking about gas station right next to
Yeah, I'm holding the clutch. I let the clutch go back slip.
What you trying to lift it up?
Nah, I was going to the gas station. That bitch just
It came up on you though?
came up.
So the gas got stuck probably.
Yeah, I had to. That my clutch. Shoulder free. Bump.
What you dislocated or just hurt it? Just bruised it?
I went to the hospital like 4 times. And one time they said it was. 9 and 10, they said I got an AC separation.
Oh yeah, that ACL. That's like them tendons.
They said like the muscle or something messed up. I can't lay down that bitch. Like a month.
When this happened though?
It's like a month.
Still feeling it.
Yeah, I can't even see that.
Damn. So that's why you ain't even feel like messing with it.
That shit happens for a reason.
Yeah, at least you know how to stop though, cause you know. Yeah, I ain't even know you took one. Damn. Oh yeah. Well, boy, that was a mean one, boy, on that 250. That was a mean one, boy. So the 125 wasn't like that. Yeah, it ain't like it ain't nothing. You still felt it. That ain't nothing. Oh man. Hell yeah, man. Yeah, just slide through. Yeah, I be acting up a little bit. I be seeing they be staring at me. They be looking, the old heads, they be, man. Hey. Hell yeah, bro. Nah, you too, bro.